up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness. That's right, the fitness you can eat. So, it's a new year. We're starting some new recipes. I hope you're excited because I am. We are starting this year off with some great stuff. Today, we're making peanut butter oatmeal cookies. So, let's get started. Alright guys, we are going to start with the wet ingredients. So of course we're going to start with the peanut butter. Get that all in there. Then we're going to add the brown sugar. Now before I add everything else, I'm just going to mix these up and then add in the rest of the wet. Alright, I'm going to slowly add in the wet. Now as you can see, I switched over to a whisk. It's just going to make it a little easier to incorporate all the ingredients. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the dry. Add in the oats, the whole wheat flour, the baking powder, your salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And just mix that up before we add it to the wet. Add in the dry, just throw it all in. We're going to mix this up. Now, what I'm going to do is once this is ready to go, I'm going to throw this into the fridge for about 30 minutes, about a half hour, and then we'll pull it back out and chuck them into the oven. Be ready to go. Okay, so I've taken the cookies out of the fridge. They are all ready to go. Now, I don't have an ice cream scooper, but what you can use is, this is a tablespoon. So I'm actually using the tablespoon. It works perfect. It does exactly what I need it to do, and it's going to give me the size of cookie that I want. So after I put them onto the pan, I'm going to lightly dust a fork. And you guys know peanut butter cookies, they always have that crisscross section on top of them. That's exactly what we're going to do with these as well. Let's get started. So, these smell so good. Here, come take a look at these. Come take a look. They're nice and chewy and peanut buttery and awesome. You gotta give these a try. So listen guys, that is it. That is the end of the video. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below, especially after you give these a try. Let me know. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. They smell so good and I want to eat them, so I'm gonna go eat them. You go make yours, and I'll see you right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye.